Today I'm gonna show you the laptop trick in Minecraft Pocket Edition. And today I'm gonna show you. And we start now. First thing we're gonna need is a block of parts. The stone bricks, 4 stairs, 4 chairs, the signs, and the minecart, rail, and like that. First gonna need is you dig 4 times 5. Some block of quartz here, like that, and you put some background here, and like that, and you break that. You put some block of quartz here, and put some minecart, and you push. Oh, like that. And like that. We need also the piston and the button. And you break that, and you point here. That's the cover that minecart, and you push a little, push like that, and you push. Let's adjust. Oops. Adjust here. And do this again. Point here, and like that. Do this again. Oh. Push like that, and you remove here like that. Push the button like that, and mostly that's perfect. Oh, that's a real laptop. And you go in the pressure plate, stone pressure plate here, the chair here. Oh, not here, and here, like that, and like that. Thanks. Oh, let's cover it now and test it. Oh, and thanks for watching, guys, my Minecraft videos, and subscribe. See ya.